Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure the TV is online and logged into the same Google account you use for Play services. Once connected, open Settings and check Apps to see current Google Play Services version. This tells you whether an update is needed. If the built-in updater won't work, prepare a USB drive or enable unknown sources for sideloading, only as a last resort. This gives you control over installing the correct APK safely. Once you have the device details, find the exact Google Play Services APK that matches your TV's CPU architecture and Android TV API level. Mismatches break functionality. Download the signed APK to your computer and confirm checksum for integrity. Then copy it to a USB drive or connect via ADB using developer options on the TV. You'll install the APK with a package installer or a DB install. Make sure you replace the old package without clearing critical app data unless you need a clean start. After installation, reboot the TV so system processes load the updated Play services. You should check Settings apps to confirm the version and then open key apps to ensure they connect correctly. If an app misbehaves, clear Google Play Services cache and data, then reboot again. If problems persist, revert to the original APK or, if necessary, perform a factory reset, only after backing up. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Mismatched.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.